So now you can see it work. Let's check some of the iterations here. Let's run it again. You can see the colors working. You can see the while loop working. Boom. And you can see 5 minutes that worked. The gas worked. Everything worked. So, wait, one thing that we can and should do really fast. Let's find our while loop, actually. Let's go right here, and we'll go like this. So if you do 3 of these, it'll cause it to comment it out. Then, since we know this code is good, we go right here. We do the same thing, and it ends it. So all of this is commented out. That way we don't have to wait for the while loop. It'll all just print. So you can see low fuel, 21 miles, 90 minutes, icy conditions, 45 miles per hour. Let's test a couple. Let's just like 2 more maybe. 60 minutes, then low fuel, 55 miles an hour. Yep. And one more. The National Weather Service, 60 minutes, 55 miles per hour, 3/4 tank. Everything works there. So now, what you want to make sure that you do though is before you leave, is delete these, and make sure you go up and delete these too. That way it won't comment everything out. Everything's back to normal. So that when you run it again, you can see the while loop running right there. And then it should print everything. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to switch over to my Windows virtual machine and show you everything on there too. So now, as you can see, we're back into Oracle VirtualBox, the hypervisor, and so you can see I have 2 here. So now I'm gonna go here and start it. So now I'm running. Now Windows starting up. Let's close these. Now our Windows virtual machine is loaded up. It took a while, so I cut it. It just shows the loading screen though. But now we are in the Windows virtual machine. I'm gonna open this stuff up and show you around here too. I actually forgot to do something in Linux that is very, very, very important. So all of our work that we just did, we need to push. We push it. It should have worked, I think. I believe. Okay, so you pushed it. So yeah, you just push it, and then now we'll go back to Windows. So now that I pushed it, if I go to GitHub Desktop, I'm in the current branch, Gasoline. I don't want to be in Gasoline though. I want to be here. Fetch origin. So you press fetch origin, then pull origin. Now, right there, we can see, if we open Studio Code right here, we are now, let's start Gasoline. Hold on.
It is also snowing. It will activate our VRS and it'll only allow us to go 60 miles per hour.
Let's close that. Let's open it. Let's try open it again. See if that works.
Now, if you have Helix, there's a blizzard. It'll update our alarm by 6.
So now that we're here in GitHub Desktop on Windows, instead of on Linux, on GitKraken, we merge these 2 branches together, and now we're in beta test dev. We go to Visual Studio Code, we can actually see all of our code. So when we pushed it and then pulled it, so what we pushed was what was the changes that we made in Linux, and then we pulled those changes down. So now they're onto on here too. Now we can go here. So this is all of our code that we merged together and changed and everything. So now we can run it, so you can see color. You can see the colors right here, just like in Linux. The while loop and scan retina, scan gas and weather. Perfect. So here we got welcome, we got gas, and then we are our weather. The three things that we have in here. Let's clear the terminal. Let's run it again.
David, you want to come look at my website?
In just a second.
Let's wait for the while loop. Retina scan. Well, so it's welcome. And we got gasoline and weather. Perfect. Everything looks like it's working just perfect. So now I am going to show you. It was full screen. I'm going to show you my. I'm going to show you my GitHub branches. This is GitHub desktop. GitHub is online. So I'm going to show you the branches that I have there as a backup. So we go here. This is my GitHub right here, blackwidow.py. This is what we're working on right now. Here you can see all of my code. So right now we're in main. Oh, one thing about this also, one thing we never do is we never ever program in main. No matter what, never program in main. But let's switch. So first up, we got welcome. Everything there. That's our welcome code. Then we got our weather. There's all of our weather code. And gasoline. This is what we were just merging. Gasoline right here. Then we go to beta test dev. Beta test dev has weather. It has the weather, and then it has gas right there, and then it also has welcome weather and gas right there. And then that's it. Back to main here. As I'm recording this video, this is a current running project. So I will also show you my product management, or project management, I mean. So Trello.com. So here, right now, in to do, at least for now, I don't have anything to do. Gasoline, merge, so we have all of these things I did before, but this we just did, so we can do that, which means 100%, the checklist is 100% done. We can actually move it to complete it. Now we have merge branches. Merge gasoline into beta test dev and check iterations. We can check that off. This will be something different later on. So right here, this is all my project management. As you can see, welcome screen, prepare initial repository, application setup, weather, and gasoline. So these are all the things that I've completed. This is my in progress. I only have one more thing to merge, almost done, and to do. Don't have anything to do. That's my project management on Trello. This is a very helpful site for project management. I very much so recommend. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. Again, my name is Oliver Gibbs. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.